In this compressor application, the total output is spread out onto 3 smaller compressors out of efficiency reasons. While the first compressor is regulated by the frequency converter SINAMICS G120P to the system pressure. The other 2 compressors are switched on automatically with SIRIUS direct starter or soft starter. With this solution, a perfect combination of variable and fixed speed drives provide the whole compressor pressure. While the fixed speed drives work on an optimal efficiency with the IE2/IE3 motors and minimum power loss. The frequency converters are there for the essential variable regulation. It is the perfect mix of this drive chain concepts.